before we even watched episode 1, there's been so much talk about it, and I see why. It's definitely different. I really like the animation. Everything about it was cool. Let's see where we go now. How about that breakfast?
いらないって。
鑑識課の知り合いから聞いたんだけど、
If you're a dog that's not helpful, you get put down, bro. I guess that's subtle.
思い出しちまった。
Yeah, let's get something at the rest area.
私たちも朝まだだったね。パーキングエリアで適当に。
Saying I'm filthy and smell bad.
汚ねえくせえと言われ、近寄られもしなかったこの俺が初めて優しくされた。
He's falling in love.
それもいい面の女。
There it is. I knew it.
好き。
デンジ君、
すみません。チェーンソーで自分の体も切れちゃって。
I'm a little low on blood right now. Understandable.
ロマン的な意味じゃなく、
Very cool.
体から
You
人
got
と
dual
悪
souls.
魔、2つの匂いがするの。
そっか。すげえ。
I don't even have one.
そりゃすげえ。
Oh boy, here we go. Night night again. I'm into the Denji type.
デンジ君みたいな人。
デンジ君。
That's me.
俺じゃん。
彼の名前は早川亜希。デンジ君より3年先輩。
Ooh, just for asking? She's got a boyfriend? This seems kind of extreme. Unless you're the boyfriend.
生きてるやつはみんな根っこに信念があるやつだけだ。
So is he actually kind of looking out for him?
牧間さん目当てでデビルハンターなったろ。
ピンポーン。
Bing bong.
じゃあ
Like
殴っ
that.
て正解だったな。
Then I'm glad I hit you. Nice shot. Bing bong.
先輩は優しい人なんだな。
Nuts or nothing. I like Denji.
牧間さんはな、
Dude.
みたいなチンピラが好きになっていい人間じゃねえんだよ。
Why? Shot.
だよ。てめえも牧間さんが好きな
Yeah, it does kind of sound like he's got the hot for her. And you still didn't think to protect your nuts?
先輩が金玉の悪魔に玉を襲われました。
Guy's testicles were attacked,
こいつの嘘です。
attacked by the nut devil.
牧間さん。もう一回抱きてえな。
I hope I get to hug her again. He's tweaking old ponytail. That was a very direct route. Took care of business.
なんで悪魔の力使わなかった？魔人も立派な悪魔だ。デビルハンターが悪魔に同情するな。俺の家族は全員目の前で悪魔に殺された。
Oof. Okay, that explains a lot. I can see why you'd have a little bit of a hard on for fiends. I think you
本
did.
当はエロ本に血つけたくなかっただけなのに。チェーンソーになると血
He
飛
was
び
just
散
trying
っ
to
て
keep blood off the magazines.
楽に殺してやったんだ。牧間さんもなんかあんのか？牧間さんも。
Miss Makima's attributes. Well, sure you want to touch her boobs, bro. Of course.
見つけたぜ。俺の本気。
Something to be serious.
俺のゴール。それは
It's to grab boobs. Ah, boy. This kid is just. I mean, he's a hero to me.
話。
気をつけてね。彼女
Oh,
は
she's a
真面
fiend.
目だから。
Oh, well, that's good to know. And maybe you shouldn't grab her boobs.
ひげ伏せ人間、わしの名はパワー。バディとやらはうぬか？
パワー？名前パワー？
No, I was gonna say no communication here. Oh, that's a good way to communicate.
早くなんか殺させろ。わしは血に飢えてるぞ。
Provide me with something to kill immediately. Oh,
ある程度
I'm not a cat person, but this is gonna suck.
全悪魔いねえじゃん。
わしのせいじゃの。わしは魔人になる前は超恐れられてた悪魔じゃったからの。 わしの匂いでザコ悪魔は逃げてくんじゃろ。
I like her. She's
She's
fun.
fun.
She's fun.
組ませて俺を活躍させないようにして俺を辞めさせる気なんだ。
Sea cucumber devil. What the hell? This is an episode of SpongeBob. And that'll do it. So much for the sea cucumber. Nani? I like her. I like power.